Hey guys, this is Damien from Dame Tech, back with another video. In this video, I'll be reviewing GameSir's new T4 mini controller that releases globally today. I was lucky enough and very appreciative of GameSir for being able to review this product before release. Nevertheless, in this video, as you already can see, I'll be doing an unboxing, then testing and discussing the quality and functionality of this controller. I'll also do some brief gaming with this controller, so sit back and enjoy this video. So now that I've gotten a good feel for this controller alongside Sony's PS5 DualSense controller, honestly, the buttons are very tactile and overall the grip and handling feels quite premium, especially for how small and compact this device is. My only gripe so far, especially when comparing this controller with a DualSense controller, is the plasticky feel for the casing. However, as you'll soon see, this plastic casing does allow a very cool RGB light design. This is definitely useful when gaming in a dark setting. Again, as I mentioned before, the buttons are very tactile and feels just as premium compared to the PS5 DualSense. Brawlhalla is a very combo-heavy and timing-based platform fighting game. I play it pretty regularly, and honestly, the T4 mini controller is no slouch for competitive play. Buttons are easy to press, and key combinations don't feel restricted despite the mini size. However, I do wish the button layout shared the same format as the Xbox controller, but then again, competitive games like Brawlhalla does have button remapping. Now for phones and tablets, this controller connects with ease to iOS and Android. FYI, when pairing through Bluetooth, it does register as an Xbox controller. But like the Switch, this controller pairs well with mobile devices and feels very responsive. Whether it's competitive fighting games like Brawlhalla or FPS games like Call of Duty Mobile or Catalyst Black, this controller brings an amazing gaming experience. All in all, I definitely enjoyed using this controller, and due to its compact size, I tend to prefer carrying around this controller when gaming on the go. If you're like me and enjoy mobile gaming on either your phone, tablet, or Nintendo Switch, I definitely suggest giving this controller a try. If interested, definitely check out the links in the description below to purchase this controller. If you made it this far, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more content like this. Please stay safe and see you next time.